Congratulations on purchasing the RYOBI 18-volt stick vac. By now, you should have registered your tool on MyRYOBI to secure its 6-year warranty. If you haven't, please visit myryobi.com.au and register today. Your box contains the vacuum, a wand, powered floor head, wall mount and screws, dusting brush and a crevice tool, and an additional filter to replace the one included with the vacuum when needed. To assemble, simply connect the wand and the floor head, and then connect the wand to the vacuum. Insert a charged RYOBI 1 Plus battery and the vacuum is ready to use. Pressing the power button once turns on the vacuum with the brush bar activated. Pressing the power button a second time will deactivate the brush bar. Pressing a third time will power off the vacuum. A crevice tool and a dusting brush are included. These accessories easily connect to the wand. To operate handheld, connect Floorhead or your accessory directly to vacuum. To assemble the wall mount, simply click the two parts together as shown and screw the mount into a wall at the appropriate height for your vacuum. Conveniently store all accessories and vacuum in the one place. We hope you enjoy your new purchase, and for more information about any of the RYOBI product range, visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.